name is AnnoMira. My name is Mira. Today we are going to do bouncing egg experiment. Are you ready? Let's start. To do this experiment, we need raw egg, white vinegar, glass or jar, and food color. Carefully place the raw egg into a glass or jar. Pour white vinegar into the glass, completely covering the egg. Add few drops of food color. Immediately, you will see bubbles forming on the egg. This is the vinegar reacting with the eggshell. Let the egg sit in the vinegar for 24 to 48 hours. After 24 hours, you can check on the egg and see if it needs more time. The eggshell should be mostly dissolved, leaving behind a rubbery membrane. Look. It's raining, and water is ready and true. Okay. After 2 days, the shell will dissolve, leaving a rubbery membrane. Carefully remove the egg from the vinegar and rinse it under water to remove any remaining shell fragments. Remove the skin. What the? No, I really go. My head. Then bounce the egg on a hot surface like a table. Be careful not to drop it from too high, as it can still break. So bouncy. I keep it if you broke it. Yay! The egg is bouncing. That didn't work. I'm gonna eat. This is a fun and simple science experiment that shows the effects of the acid on calcium carbonate, that is eggshell. Hope you like this experiment. Bye 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 bye. Sprouts, 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 reach to the sky. Akka, don't press this too much. This side. This side. Ah! Cute. Yaraku. Wow, 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 wow. My turn, my turn. What would be? G. Yellow. You stick it. Sister. Yappa. Yappa.